Hi everybody, so welcome on the Sophie's Way the channel.
No, I changed the name.
Oh,
It's not Sophie's Way anymore, it's Sophie's channel, just leave it there.
Hi everybody!
Hello everybody!
Welcome on Sophie's channel. So today we're gonna try French candies.
What's your name?
I'm Anthony, a friend of Sophie.
Who?
He's French.
Exactly why we're trying the candies. What do you want to start with, Anthony?
Me, I'm gonna start with the Dragibus, because I haven't eaten any Dragibus for a while. What's your first impression?
They're jelly beans, Anthony.
No?
Yes? Look. There you go. It looks like jelly beans, but the French jelly beans. I don't know.
So that's very famous in France. That's probably the favorite candy of the French.
And keep in mind that it's made by Haribo, which is German, so.
Yeah.
I'm throwing shade, Anthony.
But that you find only in France.
Oh, they're really good.
Ah, toi. C'est tout. Hein.
Oh, I really like it.
And my favorite ones are the black one and the blue one.
They're really good. It's just like any, like Haribo candy, I think. But it just tastes more fruity. Just like the gummy bears, but they have more flavor. And they're also harder to chew.
Mm.
They're not very soft.
No, they're quite hard.
We have to chew for very long. I like them. Oh, yeah.
You try the blue and the black ones?
I tried the blue one. It's better than the orange one.
Mm. The blue one is cherry. It's quite new.
But they're very hard and they stick to your teeth.
Yeah.
Next, I choose this one. What is that?
That's a tartelette of the brand Bonne Maman, which makes jam normally, but also cookies for a few years. And these ones are chocolate and caramel.
Oh, that's so satisfying. So it comes in individual packages, but it's not focusing, but it's super small. Cheers.
Right.
Mmm. I'm so good. So, explain what it is.
So basically it's a biscuit on the bottom part. In the middle you have caramel and chocolate on top.
I approve, it's really good. Although it's very hard, like the cookie is super hard. Listen. It's good, I'm just saying it's hard. I love it. It feels so good. I'm so happy.
I hadn't bought that for years, to be honest.
What do you want to try next?
I would say the petit écolier. So that's this. That's a biscuit with chocolate and milk in the middle also. This one is not the original one. The original one is more thin, but this one I find it better, to be honest. And the name literally means little pupil.
Okay, let's see. Oh, this looks delicious. Look. It's thick, the chocolate also. Oh, I like it. It looks like something I'm gonna like.
You're gonna like.
Have like a big piece of chocolate, a cookie, and even like white chocolate
It's
filling.
milk inside.
It's milk?
Yeah.
It's delicious. I love it. So far, 10 out of 10 for everything.
Of course, it's French. It's perfect.
Moving on. Okay, so I say now we try this, which is chips and flavor of
Merguez, grillé.
what is merguez?
So merguez, it's a sausage which comes from Maghreb basically, but in France you find a lot. And you put that on the barbecue. That's very typical on the barbecue.
I love potato chips. Okay, so I also like chocolate, but I love. Oh my god, it smells so nice. It smells like paprika, I would say.
Yeah.
Look at the size. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited.
It's the first time I tried this one. It's good, I think. Spicy. The chip is hard.
Yeah, I like it. The chip is quite thick and very flavorful. I really like it. And is the brand like special or?
It's
Vico?
a French brand, yeah.
Okay, so buy Vico chips because they're delicious. So good. By the way, he recommended all of this candy. I didn't choose anything personally. He just recommended it, so yeah.
I wanted to take more, but
okay, this is a lot of candy. So next time I take more. So next I want to move on to these two things, which are, I don't know, to be honest.
so in fact it's a kind of, it's called Rita, and it's a kind of waffle, and in the middle you have a filling. The most famous ones are Vergeoise, which is this one, and vanilla, and here we also have the chocolate one, but it's the first time I see it.
It looks like a waffle, but it's like soft.
It's soft.
And also the vanilla smell is very, very like empowering. I can smell it from here.
This one is not vanilla.
But you can smell the vanilla essence.